Sika Comfortfloor, decorative, comfortable flooring. Liquid applied, so custom-made for you without disturbing joints. Comfortable yet durable, colorful, and extremely easy to maintain. Proper floor maintenance increases hygiene and ensures that your floor keeps its silky matte appearance and friction. This promotes safety, optimal performances, and durability. To ensure this is done the proper way, Sika looked for a global partner in cleaning. Diversey for a cleaner, healthier future. Ask your supplier for Diversey materials. What doesn't get on the floor doesn't need to be removed. It is important to have an entrance map to keep the dirt out. Regular removal of sand and dust greatly improves the durability of your Sika Comfortfloor. Manual standard wet cleaning can be done regularly by mopping. Use a Diversey pH-neutral detergent that does not leave a residue. Ask your supplier for Diversey materials. You live in a home, not a museum. Therefore, food and drinks will be spilled on the floor. To keep your floor in the best conditions, clean up spilled items as soon as possible and prevent them from drying in. If the stain has dried, it can be removed fast and easy by spraying it with a small amount of detergent solution. If necessary, let it soak for 5 minutes and wipe clean using the microfiber cloth. Now you have seen how easy a Sika Comfortfloor can be maintained. You can enjoy living.